Okay, now I'm going to show an alternative way to draw this emblem holder right here. So we'll click new, right? You can click new right here, or you can click file right here. I think it's a little different in my version. You can click new here. It brings up the same menu. So we still want a standard eye part. Okay. And we'll sketch, except this time let's sketch on the XY plane. So this time we're going to kind of sketch the profile of it, except only half of the profile. So I'll click here, and this is approximately what it would look like if I cut down, basically cut through the center and then only half of that again. So it looks something like that, and then I connect it like that. So I have a complete profile. I want this line to be a center line. So I clicked on it, and then I come up here and click on center line. Now that's a center line. Let's click F8, look at the constraints we have. Alright, so everything is perpendicular, and that's what we want. This line is horizontal, that's perfect. Okay, everything looks good for now. Let's get rid of that. Not that one. There we go. Alright, and we will start adding some constraints. I think the only constraint we can really add right here is we want these two lines to be collinear. Sorry, I had to take a quick pause right there. So we want these two lines to be collinear with each other. So we just did something, might have changed my volume, I don't know. So we click on this part and this part. So now they are collinear, or even with each other. And I believe from here we just dimension it. So dimension on this line is 0.25. From here to here is 0.3. Excuse me, this is supposed to be 0.2. So I just double click on that, 0.2. Okay. Click on dimension again. This one is also 0.2. Okay. And from here to here is 2 inches. This radius, or this diameter here, and so I have the center line in it, gives me an actual diameter instead. So the diameter of that is 0.5. Diameter of this line is, it's 0.75. And I hope Randy doesn't get on my case for bad dimensioning practices. And then this one is 1 inch. Okay. And that is it. We'll say finish sketch. So now instead of clicking extrude, obviously if we click extrude, it looks something like extrude, it looks something like that, and that's not what we want. We click on revolve. And this, so it automatically found what we wanted. And we could have changed the well, you can do it full, or you can do some angle, so it only does 90 degrees or whatever, but we want it to be full. So extrude it all the way, and that's it. We say OK. And now the part looks the same as the other one, except we need to draw that slit in it. So I'll just do that real quick, and I'll hurry through this one since I already demoed how to draw that. That is 2.2. Okay, we'll use a coincident constraint right here. Alrighty, and then we'll need to project this line, and then put in a circle. That is 3/16. Get rid of that thing. We have 2 more dimensions needed, so we'll make this vertical with this point right here, and we'll make it tangent to that line. Perfect. I'll finish sketch. extrude, we want it to be symmetrical and cut it between all. Click on that line, click on that circle, and there we go. Fillet these two lines real quick. Oh, not that one. Let's try again. Fillet. Right here. We'll change that to 0.05. Sorry, 0.025. And click on that line there. We can see it. There we go. Click OK, and now that part's finished. So this is the extruded part, this is the revolved part. They're both the same, just two different ways to skin the same cat.